Did you know a cell is 50 times smaller than a grain of salt? The cells that make up your body. In your cell, there is DNA. A DNA has 6.2, and one cell has 6.2 billion base parts, which is the code that makes you you. The coding that tells your eye color, your height, your skin, your ethnicity, all the things that make you you is in this coding. And in every single cell of your body right now, there is at least 6.2 billion base codes. That's a big number. Billion, billion, that's a lot, right? Do you know how many cells are in your body? 40 trillion cells. You have 40 trillion cells that have little, it's like, think of it like this. There are four major there's four codes within the DNA that give information that tell the proton or the protein that goes up the DNA, what it is and if it's accurate or not. In this information, it's like writing a book with letters. Think about a book that has 6.5 billion letters in it. Then that book is made up of a library that has 40 trillion books. That is you. That is the code that makes you, you. Did you know that today? Did you know that our cells reproduce by what's called mitosis? What happens is a protein, which we can't truly grasp how this works, but a protein will read all that information in less than a second. In the minutest amount of time, it'll read that code, that protein, it'll read all the code in your DNA, and it'll look and carefully check to make sure there's no mistakes. And when it finds that there's no mistakes, it'll make an exact copy of that DNA strand. And then it'll pull it apart. Do you realize today your body is making 2 trillion new cells? It is taking the information, that coding that makes you, and doubling it, and then that doubling is 2 trillion times a day. Do you recognize that the God who organized this is not a God we can wrap our heads around who he really is? We make God small and easy to understand. We make God a simplistic God. No, he is a powerful, wonderful, awe-inspiring God. And he has, the more you search after him, the more you search after the truth of who we are and what we are and how this all works, the more you realize his majesty. The more you realize how amazing he is.